As a student who lives in both the UK and Japan, I always have one problem explaining my hometown. And the conversation usually goes like this.
ワン君って出身どこだっけ？
出身の中国の南にある内陸の都市だよ。
内陸の都市？
わかる？
名前なんていうの？
長沙ってところわかる？多分 100% 知らない。絶対知らない。絶対知らない。
いやいや。北京に近い。
北京というより、上海に近いかも。でも上海に全然離れてる。1000キロぐらい離れてる。
そう。
例えばここが北京、ここが上海、ここが香港。この辺ぐらい。わかる？
こんなところもある。
中国でかいから。
まあそうだよね。
じゃあ別のでしょ。
And the conversation usually ends here. Japanese may ask your hometown, but you know, they actually don't give a damn about it. So, to solve this problem once and for all, I want to show you guys where I grew up in this video. I want to show you guys Changsha. So behind me, this is the Hunan TV, which is the greatest television of all time in China. Well, except for the CCTV. And their latest show, the Snip 2024, has totally blown up across the country. It's like the whole nation cannot stop talking about it. So if you keep wandering around here, you might even bump into celebrity. But right now, I really need breakfast. Or actually, lunch, since it's already 1 PM right now. Forgive me for being a degenerate. So this shop behind me is called Lumix, which basically translates into Liu the Deaf. It's my topic for rice noodle, and let's head inside. So people in Changsha usually start their day by slurping a bowl of hot spicy rice noodle. And I ordered this mala beef noodle. It's pretty numbing, I think, and it's really spicy for those who are not Changshanese. So in Changsha dialect, this activity is called suofen. So people usually making those suo sound while eating the rice noodle. And that's why it's called suofen. Really good. After eating, we're going to take the metro to our first stop of the day. Let's go. At first glance, this place looks like just another ordinary shopping mall. But once you step inside, you are in a completely different world. This is Super Wuheyo. This place isn't just a normal restaurant, it's more like a catering complex with all these retro elements like the old school signs, the arcade games, and the neon lights. So it really feels like I've actually traveled back to the 80s. Behind me is the Xiangjiang River. It flows from the south to the north, splitting Changsha into two sides. So I'm now at the east side of the Xiangjiang River. This river flows into the Yangtze and eventually goes into the Pacific Ocean. this area might have the highest ratio of aging population in all of Changsha. You can see them playing chess, some gambling, and seeing. So vibrant. Take a walk here in the afternoon. It's pretty nice. The weather today is not so hot as usual, and the breeze pretty comfortable. Then I'm going to the other side of the river. Let's go. I'm now at the west side of the Changsha River, and there are some fishing folks over there, just chill out, and some naked Ojisans camping. So behind me, you can see those 40 stories high-rise apartments. This is Changsha Century City, which is the largest xiaochu in all of Changsha, Hunan actually. Xiaochu in Chinese literally means small district, which refers to a gated community. So in China, xiaochu is generally the most common residential form. Since all land in China is state-owned, and individual housing construction is basically not allowed in all Chinese urban areas. And according to the stats, this single community houses more than 100,000 people, which is absolutely madness. I bet no tourist will ever come to this place, but as someone who gets excited by cool architecture, this place is hidden gem. These spaceship looking at architecture have such a futuristic vibe. It feels like I'm in a scene from a sci-fi movie right now. So in case you're wondering what indeed it is place, according to design here, it is a complex of a grand theatre, an art museum, and a multi-function night theatre. So I've actually saw a performance here a couple of years ago, and this place actually means a lot to me.
Here I am, right in front of you, look at me when I say I'm sure what I'm doing, so please let me stay till the morning comes and take me away, so please let me stay.
And if you keep walking along the river, you will see a pretty strange spiral looking architecture. I've no idea what it's for, but as a photographer nerd, I couldn't resist pulling out my drone anymore. So it's now 7:30, the sun has set. I'm in the heart of the Changsha, and this street is called the Taiping Street. But right now, man's really craving for some stinky tofu. Alright then, let's go. So, this is Changsha stinky tofu. It is basically fried tofu but in black color. So one said, it smells bad but tastes good. But in my opinion, it doesn't stink at all. So instead of walking on the main street, we accidentally turn into an alley. You may find tons of surprises. Here is a CCD camera shop, but trust me, wise men don't buy this shit. So really cool vibes here. There's even a vintage shop. Whoa, and a cat. This place just merges the past and the present so well. So next time we come to Changsha, be sure to explore Taiping Street. It's like the 10 out of 10 recommended. Maybe because I've spent nearly 2 decades of my life here, nothing here feels special to me anymore. But this April, I invited 2 of my Japanese friends to visit Changsha. Seeing them amazed by the things I take for granted, it got me thinking. Maybe Changsha has always been that special, It's just that I've already lost the chance to experience this city as if for the first time. I hope this video could serve as a memory of this city, my family, friends, all the things I've experienced growing up here. In the future, I might leave and live in somewhere else. But one thing will never change. Changsha will always be my home, and I will also be proud to say I'm from Changsha.